Okay guys, in this video I want to talk about the number one reason why I believe you're failing in the Forex markets and how you can basically fix that, okay? Now, the reason you're failing in the Forex markets is because you don't have confidence in your strategy, okay? Because there's so many coaches out there, so many coaching programs, they just say, yeah, well, a lot of them don't even tell you this, to be honest, but they just say, take all these trades, put them in a spreadsheet, see if you can work out what things that you're doing that enables you to win those trades, what things you're doing enables you to lose those trades without any kind of proper journaling or anything like that. And what kind of happens is people have a bit of a losing streak. They maybe lose 2 or 3 trades in a row. They think, oh, this strategy doesn't work. And they go online and they look for another mentor. They look for another strategy. And hence this kind of shiny object syndrome cycle begins, if you like, because I've been there. I've tried umpteen different strategies. I've been involved in all sorts of different mentorships and coaching programs and all that over the years. And essentially it boils down to this, which is having confidence in your strategy. Now, the way you can get confidence in your strategy is to actually backtest. And I know this sounds crazy. People told me backtesting was a waste of time. You had to have skin in the game. If you were just kind of backtesting in a simulated environment, you weren't going to get the results that you wanted. Now, I do agree with that to a point, but I also kind of disagree with that because backtesting is what has given me confidence in my strategy now. By being able to go back in the markets, know that potentially I'm going to have a losing streak of 5 or 10 trades before I win a trade. And if I hadn't have backtested, got all this data, find out how my strategy reacts, how it plays out in the long run, and how the data and everything kind of works, then I wouldn't have confidence in my strategy now because I'd be in the same cycle, spinning my wheels, kind of going round and round in circles, just doing the same thing. So the number one thing, like I say, that I have found that has really helped me in my business is backtesting. I actually use a piece of software called FX Replay. If you click the link in the description, it will take you over and I've got another video that shows you how I use it and all about that. So go and check that link out in the description. But whatever backtesting strategy or software you decide to use, in my opinion, it's something that's really going to help you gain confidence in your trading because, like I say, it really helps you really find out what your strategy is all about and really help you drill down on things that you're good at and things that you're bad at to help you kind of work out where your strategy needs to be longer term. So anyway, go and check out the link in the description for that. Also, if you're brand new to this channel, please hit subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos kind of like this on a real no editing kind of basis, just because it means I can get more content out for you guys and all the rest of it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in another video real soon. Take care.